how to say I love you in your language?
ค่อยหักเจ้า
Quiet hand now. Quiet hand now, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay, listen,
Yes,
listen, listen.
right. Hello. Hi.
Yeah, how are you?
Hi.
Where are you from?
I'm from Laos.
Laos. Oh, nice, nice country. Don't
Thank
call
you,
me.
baby.
Please don't call me baby. I'm very shy. What's your name?
Phone.
Hon. Smile. Smile. Okay.
Thank you, baby.
Welcome, 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 baby. Hey, baby. When you smiling, you looking so beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Welcome, welcome. What is that on your head? What is that? Yeah.
Cat. Meow
Cat.
meow.
Oh, you like cat?
I don't know.
Okay. I like dog. I like dog. Gow, gow, gow.
You like dog?
Yeah, I like dog.
Dog.
Yeah. Hey, phone. What is the capital city name of Laos?
Vientiane.
Okay, okay, okay. I wanna ask you some question if you don't mind. Do you have any boyfriend or you are single?
I'm single.
Oh, really? Really? I'm also
Really?
okay. I'm also single. So I'm here just looking for a good, a cute girl. I think right now I found her.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah.
You
So,
handsome.
oh, really? Okay, teach me some Laos. Can you teach me some Laos, your language? Can you teach me some? How to say how are you in your language?
How are you?
Yeah. How to say how are you in your language? I
เจ้า
said
สบายดีบ่
Savadi bo. Savadi
Yes.
bo. Okay, okay, okay. How to say I love you in your language?
ค่อยหักเจ้า
Quiet hand now. Quiet hand now, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay, listen,
Yes,
listen, listen.
right.
Okay, listen. Quiet hand down, phone.
Oh. Thank you.
Welcome, welcome.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, yes.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, yes. Hey, phone. How old are you?
18.
18. Wow. 18. Nice. Golden age.
And you?
A crown on your head. Golden crown.
I mean,
Yeah.
you rose
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You look like a queen with this crown.
green.
I'm king. And you are queen. Okay? Do you like foreigner?
I don't know.
Okay, wait. Your life partner will from Laos or from another country?
From Laos.
Or from Laos. Okay.
You like Laos?
Yeah, yeah. I like Laos. I like Laos girl. If I propose you, will you accept me or not?
Sorry, I'm not understand.
Oh, you not understand. Okay.